announcing the arrival of our RAPP team, headed by our RAPP chairman, Colonel Refugio Sintao Jr., General Staff Corps, Infantry, Philippine Army.
Tumayong buong tapang harapin ang buhay kapit ang tagumpay. Tulungan ang kapwa't bigyang halaga, huwag akin ng pababa. Isipin huwag sana ang sarili lang, pakisama't bayanihan. Subukan natin isulong at ligawan ang magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo, salubungin ang kinabukasan. Sa pagpapanday, tiwala sa Diyos ang sandat at gabay. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan ang magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo, salubungin ang kinabukasan.
Tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds all over the hills bringing down.
Assistant Commandant Major Capa, Major Almendras, Sir Batayola, Sir Paul, to all the officers and members of the Tactical Inspection, my OSAS family, our ROTC officers and cadets, friends, good evening. On behalf of our University President, Dr. Maria Agnes P. Nuestro, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Cristina M. Signo, we are grateful again for we were able to conduct this regional annual administrative tactical inspection, or the RAATI 2025. It is evident that our cadets are prepared, for I believe they all did a great job. Did you? Further, it is also shown that the value of discipline, commitment, patriotism, and determination are all inculcated in all of you. Congratulations, everyone. Sama-sama natin pinakamatayog na bituin at ang aking tagumpay, tagumpay ng aking lahi, tagumpay ng aking lipi, ang tanging namimithi at hinang
98.06 out of 18 ROTC units, you are number 1.
Sama-sama nating abutin pinakamatayog na bituin at ang aking tagumpay, tagumpay ng aking lahi, tagumpay ng aking lipi, ang tanging minimithi at hinahangat. Hangat ko'y tagumpay natin lahat. Hangat ko'y tagumpay natin lahat.
But if you close your eyes